This is gonna blow your mind. Your Blink doorbell can notify you every time. Stop missing out. Let's get those alerts working again. First, check your Wi-Fi. If your doorbell's too far from the router, your notifications might not make it through. Move your router closer, or try a Wi-Fi extender. Second, open the Blink app. Tap the gear icon, then device settings. Make sure motion detection is on, and your phone's notifications are enabled for Blink. Third, check your phone settings. Go to your phone's notification center and allow notifications for the Blink app. On iPhones, make sure Allow Notifications is switched on. On Android, tap Blink and make sure alerts aren't blocked. Fourth, update your app and phone. Outdated software can mess with your notifications, so check for updates in the App Store or Google Play. Last tip, restart your doorbell and your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot is all you need. If you've tried all this and nothing works, reach out to Blink support. They're there to help. Now you're all set. No more missed visitors, no more headaches. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech fixes.